Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be trying out some new drugstore and very affordable products, and I'll be creating this look what you see here. I was very impressed with a few of the products. They performed really well, and they are very affordable, still performed so well. I was very impressed. So if you're interested to know how I created this look, what all products I used, and if you want to know what product I'm talking about, please keep on watching this video. So as you can see, I have already done my base makeup because I don't have any base makeup to try for today's video. Now let's do rest of the makeup together. So the first product which I'm going to try today is this one. This is a face palette from Faces Canada. So it is a 3-in-1 product. So you get a bronzer, blush and highlighter in this palette. And this one retails for 899 rupees. ऐसे देखें तो it's not affordable, but in 899 rupees you're actually getting 3 products, so that way it is affordable, I would say. So this is the outer packaging of the palette. So it comes in this kind of foam, protective foam, and here we have the palette, and this is the palette. So this one is the bronzer, blush and highlighter. The packaging of this product doesn't feel very good, like it feels little cheap kind of packaging, especially this lid here. I think it will break very quickly and very easily. So I'm using this bronzer here in this palette. So I'm taking it on this brush. Okay, so there is not much kickback, although I don't mind kickback, but still there is not much. Still I'll just dust off the excess. So you don't get any mirror here, so I will need a mirror. So this is how it looks in single application. I took very less product. So the pigmentation is good. It's not like highly pigmented, which is good. Otherwise it becomes little difficult to blend these products. It was very easy to blend. You know, you can see it's काफी अच्छी dimension provide कर रहा है ये. I'll take little bit more product. I feel for me this works better as a contour than a bronzer. The shade is not cool tone, but still it is not very warm. It's not highly pigmented, so you'll have to build up the color with this, but that is totally fine. I actually prefer these kind of products to be less pigmented and easy to build up. So yeah, I think it's a decent bronzer. It's not richly pigmented, which is a good thing. That's why it looks very natural on the face, and it was very easy to blend. This one has little bit of sheen to it. I'm not sure whether you can see or not, and I have swatched it here, but you can't see much. But still it doesn't look odd on the face. That it has that sheen, but still it is looking very natural on the face. I don't see like this part of my face is glowy or anything. It looks nice, it looks natural. Now let me give you the swatches of rest of the product. Yeah, this blush is also not very pigmented, like. So this is the blush, and let me swatch the highlighter. Highlighter is actually the pigmentation of the highlighter is good, I feel. Yeah, so these are the 3 products: bronzer, blush and highlighter. So overall I think it's a decent palette. That's my first impression, and I have only tried this bronzer on my face, but I will definitely try these 2 other products like the blush and highlighter in some other video, or I might try in today's video only. Let's see how other product perform, and उसके हिसाब से देखेंगे whether we need to try these 2 or not. But for now I think it's a decent palette. Next for blush, I'll be using this blush from L'Oreal. It's their Life is a Peach blush. So this is how it looks like. It doesn't come in any kind of outer packaging. It came like this only. And यहाँ पे एक sticker लगा हुआ है जहाँ पे सब कुछ सारी details mentioned है. So this blush retails for 750 rupees, and it looks like this. It's a very beautiful peach blush. So let's use this one. There was no kickback. Now let's apply. Okay, so it has very nice fragrance to it. It actually smells like peaches. Yeah. I could feel it when I was applying face. Okay, it's a shimmery blush, like I can see very tiny shimmers on my cheek. I like blushes with shimmer, but not like this. It is very much visible. Can you see? There are shimmers here. No, like I don't mind actually shimmery blushes. I like the blushes from Color Bar. वो भी थोड़े shimmery हैं, but I don't know. I'm not liking this one. But let's use it. So this blush is actually highly pigmented. Just be a little careful. I'll have to fix this situation because I applied a lot there. So just be a little careful when you are using this blush. So I'm using this beauty sponge which I use to blend my foundation so that it will pick up some excess product. So this is how this blush looks like. Honestly, I'm not very happy with the blush. These shimmers are very visible on the face and its fragrance is already giving me headache. So yeah, I am not sure about the blush. Abhi ke liye to no, it's a no for me. I don't know. I mean, the shade is good, but it has a lot of shimmers. It has that. Can you see this? This part of my face. I mean, I think you don't need a highlighter with this blush. It's that shimmery. Can you see that shift here? It has that golden reflex I feel here because of those shimmers. Yeah, I'm not happy. Actually, I'm very disappointed with this blush. I was very excited to try this because of the shade. I like this peachy blushes. So I was very excited, but no, I'm not sure about this blush. And the packaging of this blush is also not very good. It's like okay kind of packaging. You're paying 750 rupees for this blush and you're getting like okay packaging. And yeah, overall I didn't like the product. उनकी जो Rouge range है ना, वो काफ़ी better है इससे. उसकी packaging भी काफ़ी अच्छी, very classy packaging है और kind of same ही cost है. तो yeah, I would prefer that range over this one. So let's move on. Now for highlighter, I have this highlighter from Sugar. It's their jelly highlighter and this one is in the shade 01 Gold Gold. It's actually a jelly highlighter. I should have used it under my foundation maybe. I have never used this jelly highlighter kind of thing. So yeah, I'll anyway use it on the, since I already have this base makeup on, I don't have any other choice, so I'll use it over the foundation. So this is how it looks. It's very liquidy. I'm trying to be a little careful so that I don't spill it. But yeah, this is how it looks. I like the packaging, like it's very nice packaging, glass packaging. You have this protective lid as well here. So there is little bit of product here. I'll use that only. So I'm using my fingers to apply it. I'm taking very less amount because I don't know how pigmented it is. And I hope it will look good. So I'm just, yeah, I'll apply only these dots and I'll blend it. It looks beautiful and it was very easy to blend as well. I was little worried कि powder product पे कैसे apply होगा, blend होगा, but it was very easy to blend and काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. One thing which I noticed that it sets very quickly, so you'll have to be little quick. You'll have to blend it because मैंने यहाँ पे अप्लाई किया, डॉट किया एंड देन आई वाज ब्लेंडिंग इट. तो जब तक मैं ये वाला पार्ट ब्लेंड कर रही थी ना, बाकी जो एरिया पे मैंने अप्लाई किया था वो सेट होने लगा था. तो इट बिकम लिटिल डिफिकल्ट टू ब्लेंड इट. सो Just you'll have to remember that you'll have to work quickly with this because बहुत जल्दी set हो जाता है ये. I think it's very easy to work with this highlighter and you can build it up. Like if you want very natural finish, you can have little bit of this product, and if you want that blinding kind of look, you can achieve that as well. I'm actually very happy with this purchase. By the way, I forgot to tell you how much it retails for. I guess it retails for 499 rupees or something, but you can get this one on discounts as well. And the shade I already told you, it's the shade 01 Gold Cool. I generally do my eyebrows first, but I forgot to do that. So let's use the eyebrow product I have today. So I have this one, this eyebrow product. So this one is an eyebrow product from Swiss Beauty. It's their eyebrow and gel eyeliner. It's a 2-in-1 product. So this is the outer packaging. You can see it's still packed. So it comes like this. You have a brush as well with this. That's good. Wow, I like the packaging. It has this rose gold lid here. The packaging looks very pretty. This is the eyebrow product. It is actually good. It has that grey tones which I like. So top part is your eyebrow product, and if you screw it open, here is your liner. It's a very good packaging, and yeah, let's use the product. I hope the product is also good. So I'll try to use this brush actually. So on one side you get this slanted brush, and on the other side you get this kind of brush. So this is good for applying liner, and you can use this for eyebrows as well, I feel. So yeah, let's use this one. It's a gel product, by the way. You get a very teeny tiny mirror as well in this. Good, it's good, but I'll have to use my mirror because it's very tiny. So first I'm lining my eyebrows. Okay. It is very pigmented, so I'll have to be little careful. I'm applying it with very light hand, but the shade is really nice. First I lined my eyebrows, now I'll fill it. So it doesn't have a spoolie, so I'm using a separate spoolie brush. So this is how my eyebrow looks like, and I think they are looking really good, and it was actually a very good product. Easy to work with, good pigmentation, like it's not highly pigmented but enough pigmentation, and yeah, the color was also good. It is a little more on grey side. But I think it's a good match for me, and this brush is also very nice, very soft on the skin. So yeah, the bristles are very soft, so easy to work with, and overall I think it's a really good product. And this is not very costly as well. This one retails for only 300 rupees, 299, 300 rupees, and you're getting two products. You are getting this eyebrow product and the liner as well. I'll see if I can use the liner as well in today's video, but the eyebrow product for now is really good. Also you get this brush as well in 299 rupees. I think it's a really good deal. Now for eyes, I don't have any eyeshadow palette with me, but I have these two single eyeshadows. These are from the brand Mario. I think that's how you pronounce it. These are their 5D wet eyeshadows. So I have these two shades with me, the shade 03 and 10. There is no name mentioned as such, only this number is mentioned. So I'll be using this one, like these two on my lids. I'll quickly prep my eyes using this primer from ELF. I don't have any drugstore primer, so I'll use this bronzer which we used earlier for my crease. So now let's use these shadows. So first I'm using this shade 03. By the way, this comes in this kind of outer packaging. This packaging is very similar to the Colourpop single eyeshadows. This is how it looks from inside. Inside packaging is also very similar to that. So the shade is written here. It's in the shade blue. I'm applying it with my fingers only. Let me give you a swatch. The pigmentation is really good. But it fades away when you blend it. Can you see? Yeah, it has changed the color. Like if I try to compare, Can you see? It looks very blue here, and here it has turned into turquoise kind of shade. So it fades when you try to blend it. Now let's apply on the eyes. Pigmentation is actually very good. Okay, I think I should use a brush with this to get an even application. So I'm taking it on a brush. Let's see how it applies with a brush. Yeah, it applies very easily with the brush as well. काफ़ी अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन आ रही है when I'm using brush. It looks, I'll have to blend it, but for now it is looking really pretty on the eyes. And there was no fallout. It's actually a very wet kind of consistency. बहुत ही अच्छी consistency है, and it has little bit of shimmer as well, which looks very pretty on the eyes. Now let's blend it. I'm using a very precise brush to blend it. I'm just blending the edges so that there is no harsh line as such, and everything looks very seamless. So as I told you, when you try to blend it, इसका जो color है वो थोड़ा सा change हो जा रहा है. Otherwise, it's a good eyeshadow, I feel. And yeah, easy to blend as well. I'm flicking it थोड़ा सा बाहर. So this is how it looks. You can see this has this tiny shimmers here, जो कि काफ़ी beautiful लग रहे हैं. So yeah, this is actually looking very nice. I should have worn some blue shirt, but yeah, it looks really pretty, and it was very easy to blend. The pigmentation is also really good. I actually want to use other shade as well, so let's use it. By the way, I think it will stain my eyes because I can see on the fingers. I tried to remove it, but it left this kind of stain. But I'll update you about that in the description box, whether it stains my eyes or not. Now I'm using the shade 10. This is also a very pretty shade. So I'll apply this in the center part of my lids. Okay. So it feels like a topper. Can you see? Yeah. It's not like the other one. It's not very pigmented. It feels like a eye topper. So yeah, let's apply it on the center part of the lids. Okay, wow, it is actually looking very pretty as an eye topper. I actually kind of applied on the whole lid because it's anyway a eye topper, and it is a very pretty shade. So yeah, I'm very happy with the way these eyeshadows have performed. दोनों ही eyeshadows बहुत ही beautiful हैं. The pigmentation was really good. Like this is a proper shade, so the pigmentation was very good. It was easy to blend. Just that when you blend it, इसका जो color है थोड़ा सा change हो जाता है, थोड़ा fade हो जाता है. But still, it looks really pretty on the eyes. Both with I applied it with my fingers and then with the brush. तो दोनों के साथ काफ़ी अच्छा pigmentation आ रहा था, and it was very easy to work with on this particular eyeshadow. And this one is an eye topper actually, and it looks so pretty on the eyes. I applied it on my lids, and it looks so pretty. It is providing a very nice shift to the eye look, and it is looking really, really pretty. I would like to try some more shades from this range, and I think these are very affordable as well. I don't remember the exact prices. I'll mention the prices in the description box, but I think these are very affordable, like 100 rupees, 200 rupees or something, not more than that as far as I remember, but they perform really, really well. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. Now for liner, I actually wanted to use this liner from Maybelline. It's their tattoo high impact liner. I have heard so many good things about this liner, so I wanted to use this, but now I want to use this liner, this gel liner from Swiss Beauty. So I'll just swatch it for you and we'll use it in some other video. Wow. Wow, it is very opaque and it's jet black. I want to use this one. I'm very confused. I wish you guys could actually tell me which one to use here. Okay, I'll go with this one. We'll use the other one in some other video. So I'm using the same brush, this liner. I hope it works well. Like, I was very impressed with the eyebrow product. I want this also to be good. So let's use it. The brush is okay type. I'm not sure how precise application it will give, but let's use it. Okay, maybe not this brush. Like, it's good to apply the liner, but it's difficult to create the wing with this. So I'm using this brush. This one is from Pro Art. It's a precise brush, so it feels very creamy and very easy to apply. ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा effort नहीं करना पड़ रहा है. It's actually very wet. Applying liner on this eye is always a struggle. I created some crazy wings here, but this eyeliner is actually very pretty and ये set हो चुका है already and it sets into a very nice matte finish. बहुत easy to apply है, काफ़ी creamy है, बहुत easy to apply है. ये brush भी अच्छा है. Like, अगर आपको केवल liner apply करना हो ना, it's a good brush. बट अगर आपको ऐसे विंग क्रिएट करना हो तो उसके लिए थोड़ा सा मतलब थोड़ा पॉइंटी ब्रश चाहिए होता है आपको, तो उसके लिए उतना ज़्यादा यूजफुल नहीं रहेगा. अदरवाइज अगर आपको केवल लाइनर अप्लाई करना है तो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड ब्रश. यू कैन टोटली यूज इट एंड ओवरऑल द लाइनर इज़ रियली गुड. द पिगमेंटेशन इज़ गुड. इट्स अ लाइक जेट ब्लैक लाइनर and easy to apply, easy to work with. Really good product. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this very affordable product. Now for my kajal today, I'm using this product from Sugar. It's their Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl and this one is in the shade Green Light. So I have not applied anything on my lower lash line. I'll apply this and smudge it in my lower lash line. So I'm applying it very close to my lower lash line. I'm actually not applying it to my waterline. I'll see, I might apply some black liner because I have some black color kajal as well to try today. Okay, very pigmented product. I'm using this pencil brush to just smudge it. I know ऊपर blue, नीचे green, it looks little crazy, but it's fine. We are just playing with makeup here. Okay, so this was very easy to blend as well. काफी pigmented है. Can you see? See, the pigmentation is really good. It's very creamy और काफी easily smudge भी हो गया. तो yeah, I think it's a good product, but it's a little expensive, I guess. This one retails for $4.99 as far as I remember. It's a little expensive product, but the performance is really good. I want to apply a black kajal in my waterline, but I don't have any black kajal today, so I'm using this one from Faces Canada. I'll apply it only on the outer part of my waterline. Now for mascara today, I'll be using this mascara from Essence. It's their Lash Princess Mascara. I have heard so much about this mascara. Tati used to love this mascara and she recommends it a lot. I wanted to try it from quite some time and I bought this this time. This one retails for 355 rupees. The price is mentioned 355, but I think I got it for 200 or something. I bought this one from Flipkart. It was not available anywhere else. I bought this from Flipkart. So you get this kind of wand here. By looking at the wand itself, I can see that it will be a very voluminous mascara, so let's apply this. So this is how this mascara looks after applying one coat, and I am already in love. Like the wand is so nice, it's very slim, तो बहुत easy है use करना. Even on the inner part of the lashes sometimes वो wand रहती है, अगर थोड़ी thick रहती है ना तो थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है, but इसके साथ it is very easy and it is providing very nice volume to the lashes. I'm already loving this product. Like, yeah, I'm already loving it. I can totally understand why everyone loves this. One of my friend also recommended this to me. It looks so beautiful. It has provided a very nice volume and lashes clumpy भी नहीं लग रही हैं बिल्कुल भी. This is a really good mascara, guys. You should totally try this mascara. Now let's go back to face. Now I actually want to try these two products on the face as well, because ये blush तो already fail हो ही चुका है, तो I thought कि चलो ये भी use करके देख ही लेते हैं इस वीडियो में. So I'm taking this blush now. So this blush also has a little bit of sheen to it, but it doesn't look odd like the L'Oreal one. उसके अंदर तो proper shimmers थे, and this is actually looking good on the face. Again, not very highly pigmented, gives a decent kind of pigmentation on the face, but looks better than the other one, the L'Oreal one. So yeah, it's a decent blush. Now let's use this highlighter as well. Although I'm already loving the highlighter I used from Sugar, but I thought let's use this as well. जब मैंने इसको इनर कॉर्नर्स में अप्लाई किया ना, I saw a little bit of fallout with this, not too much, but this product is overall really good. The blush is fine, pigmentation is okay, but it's a shimmery blush. Like it has little, not shimmery, but it has a little bit of sheen to it. Now I'll set my makeup using this makeup fixer from Wet n Wild. It's their Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. I should have actually set my makeup before applying mascara, because I don't know whether this mascara is waterproof or not. But it's fine now. What can we do? So let's use this. This one is also very affordable makeup fixer. Like this one, it is for 499 rupees or something. Okay, it has a very nice coconutty smell to it, and the spray is also good. Not very fine, but still good. Now let's finish up this look with a lipstick. But before that, I have this lip liner to try. This one is again from Sugar. It's their Lipping on the Edge lip liner in the shade Taffeta Terracotta. I have the same shade in the lip crayons, so I love that shade. That's why I bought this one. Okay, it's very creamy and highly pigmented. This shade itself is looking really good. So it's a very good liner. It was very creamy and very easy to apply. काफी अच्छी pigmentation है इसकी, and the color is so pretty. Like I'm in love with this color. Now for lipstick, I have this lipstick from Kiko Milano. It's a Smart Fusion lipstick, and this one I have in the shade 434. And this is how it looks from inside. I like the inner packaging of this lipstick. It's a very nice packaging. This part is matte. This is little shiny. Yeah, I like the packaging, and this is affordable as well. This one retails for 390, which is a very good price for Kiko Milano, because it's a little expensive product, and the shade is so pretty. So yeah, it's a good lipstick. It was very easy to apply, very creamy, very easy to apply, and the color is not very opaque, but it has a good pigmentation, like you can see. feels very comfortable, the color is good, and yeah, it has a satin matte finish. It's a very pretty lipstick. So yeah guys, this is the final look, and I think it has turned out quite well, especially the eye look. I'm really loving the eye look. Now let's talk about all the products I used today to create this look. So first I want to talk about this palette from Faces Canada. So one product which I liked from this palette is the highlighter. This was the best product, like best of these three in this palette. It's a good highlighter, it's very creamy and काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है फेस पे. बाकी दोनों प्रोडक्ट भी अच्छे हैं. I won't say these are bad, but these are like okay kind of products, and both of these are not matte. They have a little bit of sheen to them. So if you're someone who don't like sheen in their bronzer and blush, this is not for you, because इन दोनों में ही sheen है. And overall it's a okay product, I would say. If you'll ask me whether I'll recommend it or not, I think I won't recommend it, because this one is an expensive product. This is for 900 rupees, and only one product in this palette is actually very good. बाकी दोनों like okay ही हैं. तो I think you can get these things separately and you'll find a better palette as well. I think the palette from Sugar is better than this one. एंड और भी दूसरे पैलेट्स आपको मिल सकते हैं जिसमें आपको ब्रॉन्जर, ब्लश और हाइलाइटर तीनों मिल जाए एंड इससे बेटर परफॉर्म करें. और यू कैन बाय these things separately as well in the same price. So I think it's okay product, but not so great, and nothing what I will recommend you guys. The next product I tried is this blush from L'Oreal, and it's a no for me. I like actually sheen in my blushes, I don't mind it, but it has shimmers, and those shimmers I can clearly see on my face. So I'm not very happy with this blush, and I won't recommend you guys also to try this blush. Next is Jelly highlighter from Sugar. Was good, like it's a good product and it applied very easily on the powder products as well. बहुत easily apply हो गया, blend हो गया. Just that it sets very quickly, so you'll have to be little quick with this. You'll have to blend the product very quickly. Otherwise it looks very nice on the face, easy to work with, easy to build up. So I think it's a good product. Now let's talk about these single eyeshadows. ये भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, काफ़ी इजी टू अप्लाई है. पिगमेंटेशन भी बहुत ही अच्छी थी, दोनों ही काफ़ी अच्छे से काम किए. सो आई एम रियली इम्प्रेस्ड विद दीज सिंगल आई शेडोज, एंड काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल भी हैं. तो I would really like to try some more shades, and if you are looking for single eyeshadows, you can totally check out this range. I bought these from Cuffs and Lashes. I'm not sure whether these are available anywhere else, but you can easily find these on Cuffs and Lashes. Now let's talk about the star of the show, which was this 2-in-1 product from Sis Beauty. It's a very affordable product guys, and it looks so pretty. The packaging is really good. You're getting 2 products, दोनों ही products काफ़ी अच्छे से परफॉर्म करते हैं. आईब्रो प्रोडक्ट भी बहुत अच्छा है, लाइनर भी बहुत अच्छा है, एंड यू आर गेटिंग अ ब्रश एज वेल. लाइक व्हाट एल्स यू कैन आस्क फ्रॉम एनी प्रोडक्ट. लाइक इट्स अ रियली प्रिटी packaging. It's a really good product. So I think this was the star of the show. There was one more star actually, which was this mascara from Essence. ये भी बहुत ही अच्छा mascara. Like I fell in love with this mascara with single application. That doesn't happen with me. Honestly, I'm saying that doesn't happen with me. I like my mascaras like थोड़ा dry हो जाते हैं ना, उसके बाद मुझे पसंद आना शुरू होते हैं mascara. But with this one, with single application, I was very impressed. So I think ये जो दोनों products हैं, these were the best products I tried in today's video, and I'm totally in love with these 2 products, and काफ़ी affordable भी हैं. This makeup fixer is again very good. It has a very fresh feeling to it, and it has that coconutty smell which feels very fresh, and ऐसे बॉदर भी नहीं करती है. स्प्रे भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, अच्छे से मेकअप को सेट भी कर दिया है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड प्रोडक्ट. सो आई गेस दैट्स इट, एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड दिस लुक. इफ you liked it, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.